This is a visual explainer about three UE5 words that sound similar but do different jobs: asset, actor, and component. By the end, you will know where each one lives, what changes when you edit it, and how to decide which one to look for when something in a level is wrong. An asset lives in the content browser. A mesh, material, texture, sound, animation, and blueprint class can all be assets. Think of an asset as a reusable source in the project. It can exist even when it has not been placed in the current level, and one asset can be used many times. An actor is an object that exists in a level. When you drag a mesh into the viewport, UE5 creates an actor that references that mesh asset. The world outliner lists the placed actor, while the content browser still holds the reusable source. Location, rotation, and scale usually belong to the placed actor. A component is a part owned by an actor. A static mesh component provides visible geometry. A collision component defines an overlap or blocking shape. A light component emits light. A scene component can provide a transform and parent other parts. Components let one actor combine several focused responsibilities. Imagine one crate mesh asset placed 4 times. The project still has one reusable mesh source, but the level has 4 actors. Each actor may use a different location, rotation, or scale. Editing one actor moves only that placed instance. Editing the shared asset can affect every actor that references it. Start with the actor in the outliner, then inspect its components, then follow the referenced assets. For a lamp, the actor is the placed lamp object. Its mesh component supplies the visible shape, its light component supplies illumination, and both may reference reusable assets or settings. This outside-in path makes complex objects easier to understand. Use one question before editing. Should this change affect one placed object, every use of the source, or one functional part? Choose the actor for one instance, the asset for shared source content, and the component for a specific visual, collision, audio, or behavior part. That decision prevents many beginner mistakes. Remember the flow. An asset is reusable content, an actor is a placed level object, and components are the parts inside that actor. When debugging, move from outliner to actor, from actor to components, and from components to referenced assets. Next, we will apply this model to transform and snapping.